continent, highest mountain, first person to climb or reach the mountain. In Asia, Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first person to climb the mountain. In South America, Aconcagua is the highest mountain. Matthias Dubregan was the first person to climb the mountain. In North America, Denali is the highest mountain. Hudson Studd, Harry Carstens, Walter Harper, and Robert Tatum were first person to climb the mountain. In Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain. Hans Meyer, Ludwig Partzler were the first person to climb the mountain. In Europe, Mount Elbrus is the highest mountain. Florence Trotford Grove, Frederick Gardner, Horace Walker, and guide Peter Noble were first person to climb the mountain. In Oceania, Australia, Punkak Jaya is the highest mountain. Heinrich Harrer, Philip Temple, Russell Kipax, and Albertus Huizenga were first person to climb the mountain. In Antarctica, Mount Vinson is the highest mountain. Nicholas Clinch was first person to climb the mountain. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.